Prophix Financial Consolidation helps a medium-sized and large organization with all complexity around consolidation. Financial consolidation includes all the logics and treatments and conversion logics that are required for managing both simple, straightforward consolidation as well as complex consolidation with multiple role of hierarchy, as well as the different consolidation methods. Prophix Financial Consolidation will allow you to collect data from different data sources. We collect data for participation, we collect data for flows, and actually we collect also data which are more granular dimensional data. Now, let's assume that our data have already been imported at this point in time. What is very important that before we proceed with our consolidation process, we can actually see that all data for all companies have been integrated, but one company such as Canada Call, which is our newly consolidated company, has an error. Prophix comes embedded with a large set of validation rule that check consistency and integrity across all the different consolidation accounts. All of these validation are done accordingly with the reporting standard that is being used from a group reporting perspective, as well as from a local reporting perspective. In this case, we can see that for the fixed asset account, we have the accumulated depreciation, which is a greater value than our acquisition cost. So this actually is an inconsistency according to the rule that we have set up in our consolidation. Prophix consolidation allows local accountant as well as consolidator to book adjustments to correct local figures and group figure. In this case, Canada Co has decided to correct these as a local adjustments to correct the trial balance, making sure that Canada's trial balance is consistent with the group accounting practices. Now, after the booking of the correction, we can actually double check before we run our consolidation process that all data that have been submitted by Canada are actually correct. This is a very important step because the consolidator will have the choice to start consolidating after all entities have been validated, approved, and audited. As a second step, we can start running our consolidation process. The consolidation process of Prophix consolidation is very streamlined. The system will take care of all the conversion from local currency into group currency, the calculation of all the intercompany elimination, the calculation of all the equity and participation elimination, and the booking of the consolidated reserve. This is all done through a set of rules that are out of the box embedded into the tool. So within our group adjustment screen, we can see that a numbers of adjustments have been booked by the tool according to the set of information that we've provided so far. For instance, we can see that we have translation currency adjustments, we have intercompany elimination, and actually if we look about our South US company, we can see that the system has booked a proportional elimination. Prophix consolidation will ensure auditability, transparency, as well as integrity of the consolidation, because all this technical elimination, as well as any elimination that is booked into the tool, have a unique identifiable code, a description, and a set of additional information. Now, once the financial consolidation process is completed, we can have a first view at the consolidated statement. The system will give us actually the ability to drill down and get a good understanding of how we work in contribution to our consolidated number. For instance, if we want to get a good look at our operating revenue, we can actually start breaking down operating revenue by company and see by company in contribution. And we have an elimination because of the proportional integration method used for the South US company. So throughout any report in the consolidation system, we'll be able to identify the root reasons why we have a certain book inside of the system. Now we are at the end of our consolidation process. So now let's have a look quickly at our management reporting dashboard. Now, once the financial consolidation figures have been audited and confirmed, we can slice and dice the information. We can see now that we are reporting a certain KPIs. We're actually breaking down revenue by region. We have an operating revenue chart that's comparing current actuals by previous actual. What the system will allow me to do also to actually stop creating reporting templates, getting a much further analytical data for our revenue report. So in this case, for instance, we are looking at the consolidated revenue by retails, by channel, and also by products.